Hi and welcome back to Lockpicker 69. In the files today, I've got a little 4-pin medeco cabinet lock. That's the bitting of the key, and it is biaxial, which means not only do I have to pick the key pins to the correct height, I've also got to rotate them for the sidebar to become active with the pins. As you can see, the weird cutting on a key, if you've never seen one before. It does work, and this was kindly loaned to me by the crappy lockpicker. If you don't know who he is, I'll link you to his channel down below, so please do go check him out. It's not a full set. There we have it. That's open. See the cam. Oh, I'm fucking well impressed with that time. Just over 3 minutes. I'm not going to gut it. I'm at work and I don't feel that confident because I don't have a lot of stuff with me. But as you can see, it's open. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you all again soon.